for this assignment about prove deploy storage spaces. So I'll start off by logging into my that's Promised Land administrator server password. So it has opened. First of all, since I'm using proxy, I'll first shut down. Then I go to shut down. Then I come here, hardware. For the first thing of adding 3 virtual hard disks of 10 GB each, I'll come here. I'll click add hard disk. They say they want SCSI. That's the bus they want, or I think VIS. So I have only this one. Then storage, I'll choose from local. Storage disk size, they told us 10 GB. 10 GB. Format default. Format default. I add another one. They said they want 3 disks. Come back, storage is 10 GB. Add another one, third one, storage VM. Is it 10 here? Add. So I'm done with adding. Then for this to work, I had to shut down, but let me restart. Let me restart my VM. So I'm restarting. So I've restarted. Now it's back. Let us click Ctrl Alt L to unlock. Click Ctrl Alt Del to unlock. Yeah, it's unlocking. So now our next step, we shall open storage spaces in Windows Server. Let's input our password. We have just added the 3 virtual disks on our VM. So let me write my password. It's kind of slow, but I'll do mine with it. It's my PC. It's loading. Left side. Yeah, my disks are here. They have been added, making a total of 1, 2, 3, 3, making a total of 4. This is my default. So that. So what we are going to do next from the instructions missing, they told us to create a storage pool titled Promised Land Storage and a brief description of how you will use the storage. So what we are going to do, so what we are going to do, so what you are going to do is to open storage spaces in Windows Server. So we shall go to Server Manager, then click Tools. Sorry, we go here, Files and Storage, Files and Storage. Uh, D6 is it? Files and Storage, Storage Pools. Where they are D6, they are not appearing. Expand. So they are here, they are appearing. So you should see these three. You should be able to see the three that we have added. Three at D6. Now, what I will do, I'll click Task, then new storage pool. I name it Task, new storage pool. I'll click next. So I'll name it Promised what? They told us to name it Promised Land. Oh, use keyboard. My S doesn't write. Promised Land space ink storage. The name is not character sensitive. So that's the name. Description. So for the description, let's see the instructions. How will you use the storage? A brief description on how I'll use the storage. That's what they're asking. So here I'll write shared. I'll write share user data storage, user data storage for promised land. go to promisedland.com stuff. So what I will do, I think I'll click next. I'll click next. I think I'll click next. Next. Internet. It has connected back. So I'll click next. So I'll select all the 3D6 I added. Click here. I'll click next. Then I'll click create. Drag it. Close. So now I'm going to create so I will create a virtual disk, and they told us create a storage pool titled Promised Land with a brief description. That one is complete. I'll create a virtual disk using thin provisions and a volume from the virtual disk entitled user data. So that's what you're going to do next. That's what I'm going to do next. Not what we are going to, maybe we are to. Okay, let's continue. Now to create, I'll first highlight that, then I come here, right click here, see, I create a new virtual disk, click that, click OK to bring up this window. My image is blocking it. Bring up this wizard. So I'll click next. The name, what's the name for the disk name? I think user. Where's my keyboard? Sorry, capital U. Is it user data? Yes, user data. I will not set a description. Create storage type. User. Click next. Ensure awareness. Enable enclosure awareness. Let me click that. It's not highlighting, so let me just continue next. So storage outlay. Storage outlay. I think I'll go with simple. Is it? Let me see the instructions for the assignment. Create a virtual disk using thin provision and a volume from a disk into DVG. Okay, titled that. Okay, so let me go with simple. Outlay, no resin, yes. Okay, next. For provision, they told us thin. Click next. Space, they give us. I think that it's better use maximum. Create a storage instruction use. Okay, let me just put specify size. Let me put 30 GB. I click next. Click create. So it will create. close. After creating that, I think you're going to create a volume named user data. Was there an instruction for the name for virtual disk? No, let me just name it that there was no name. So I'll click next. They didn't give me also specification for a storage, so I'll click next for my storage. Did they tell me to assign n data? So I'll assign data u. It's there. So let me assign data v. Let me assign uu. I'll assign u. Click next. So this is a volume. Volume. Then they told us it should be in the format of NTFS. Yeah, for this default volume, this one they told us the volume. This one they told us a specific instruction. It was user data. That's user data. User data. Click next. Create. Now it's creating the volume. It has completed. I think that's it all for this assignment. Thank you for listening to me.